Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Skullcandy Crusher ANC 2 wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these headphones are not working for some reason, like they're not connecting to your phone or other device, they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, they keep disconnecting. Any issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is any situation where you just want to clear out and delete all of the pairing history so that you can get a fresh start setting these up like a new set of headphones. The first thing you want to do if you want to do this is go ahead on your headphones that you've had them paired with in the past and have those headphones forget these headphones, delete them off of your phone. Once we do that, we can go ahead and turn our headphones on. And then once our headphones are on, all we're going to do is come and find this volume down button, which is right here. We're just going to press and hold the volume down button for 6 seconds. And after 6 seconds, there's a tone that will indicate a successful reset, and the headphones will quickly flash purple 3 times. You'll hear a voice prompt that will say "ready to pair," and then the LED will go back into into the pairing mode, which is pulsing red and blue, which means now you're ready to pair. You can go back to your phone and then re-pair it on your phone like you're setting them up for the first time.